Hi everyone, welcome to Tweet Data Lab. In this short Python tutorial, we learn about one of the most fundamental data types in Python, that is lists. We'll cover what a list is, how to create one, perform the common operations like adding, removing, accessing elements, all under 10 minutes. So let's dive in. Let's begin by defining what a list is. So a list in Python is a collection of items enclosed in square brackets. Lists can hold elements of different data types, integers, strings, floats, or even other lists. So creating a list in Python. So I will first create a list known as my underscore list, and this my underscore list will contain 4 elements. Let's say 10, 20, 30, and 40. Then after that I'll create another list which I will name as mixed underscore list, and this will contain a mixture of alphabets, decimals, and boolean values. 1, hello, 3.14, and let's say true. And then I will just go ahead with printing both my lists, my underscore list and mixed underscore list. Accessing the elements in the list. Now we have created our list and we want to access the elements in the list. So to access the elements in the list, we use a simple concept known as indexing. In Python, if we want to access the elements, the first element in the list is at index 0, and if we want to access the last element from the end, then we use the index -1. Let me give an example to explain. So my list, which is my underscore list, square bracket 0. This will help me to access the first element in my list, that is 10. So I can simply give one print command and write first underscore element, comma, my list 0. Then to access the last element in my list, I can write last element using -1, comma, my underscore list -1. Now I will just use my print command to see the result. So here you can see first underscore element is 10 and last underscore element using -1 is 40. Now I can also use the f string, print f first element, my underscore list. If I want to use the f string, I can use my function my underscore list bracket 0 inside the curly braces. So here you can see that it works exactly the same as the previous method. To add and remove items from the list, we need to modify the list using methods like append, insert, remove, and pop. Let's begin by using the method append. Append is used to add the items in the list at the end. So I will start by calling my list my underscore list dot append 50. Then I will print the list. Now I will use the insert method. My underscore list dot insert 1, 15. So this means that element 15 will be inserted at index position 1. Print after addition, comma, my underscore list. Now as you can see that position index 1 element 15 has been inserted. Then we can also remove the items from the list by using the remove function. my underscore list dot remove 30 or 50. Okay, let's go with 30. So if you notice that element number 30 has been removed from the list. Now to use the pop command, we just simply write a list followed by dot pop, and pop will do nothing but remove the last element from our list. My underscore list, as you can see that it has the last element 50 removed. So I'm writing down the comments just to make it a little bit more explicit. Now, if we want to print our list, we can also look through all the items in the list and print each item row-wise. Now I can loop through the list using a for loop to access each element in the list. So for that, I will just write a basic for loop function. For item in my list, print item. Now each element will be listed. As you can see, item 10, item 15, item 20, and item 40. After performing this, there are also some more useful functions which we can use, that is len, which can give the total number of elements, sum, which can show the addition of our elements in the list, and also sorted, which can help to return a new sorted list. And that's it for this session on lists, and this was just a quick overview of the Python lists. In a few lines of code, we can learn how to create, modify, and use lists in a Python program.